Are you getting no streams available error message in Stremio? Then this video is for you. So first of all, you need to install proper add-ons. This is the most important. Without add-ons, Stremio shows 0 streams. So you need to open a Stremio app in your PC and you need to go to the settings option, and after that you can see there is a puzzle icon. You can see, just tap on this puzzle icon which is add-ons, and you need to install the proper add-ons. Official add-ons, proper community add-ons should be installed. So after installing the add-on, you need to restart your PC. You can search for the add-ons from here, so make sure to do that. And if you are not able to do it, or you are causing any issue, so you can uninstall that add-on in which you are facing the problem, and you can see uninstall option is showing here. You can uninstall or remove the add-on and close Stremio, and then after that you need to close Stremio, open it once again, and then you need to install the add-on once again, because sometimes outdated add-ons cause this issue, and if you uninstall and reinstall it, then it will you will get the latest add-on. You can try a different mode as well. You can test with a popular movie or recent blockbuster, and if popular content works, problem with a specific title, so you need to check it out. No seeds available is showing or something else. You can check out the latest movie and see whether the specific movie or video has some problem. You can use the VPN as well, and VPN is also a good option. You can try it out because VPN solve this so many issues. Check filters, make sure no language filter is causing this issue. You can change the language, or you can there is no quality filter is showing the problem. You can go to the settings options to check it, and just go to settings, click on streaming. In streaming here you can check if anything is blocked, so make sure to check the streaming. Everything is showing properly here, so you can check the server URL as well, and make sure to enter the correct URL, server URL here. After doing all these steps, make sure to restart your PC and check whether you are getting this error or not. In case you still face any problem, you can mention it in the comment section and make sure to give a reply. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.